Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today, yay, we're opening the new Papierre stationery subscription service. This is a pack filled with letter writing paper, which I love. Hey Sage, are you coming to sniff my tea? Which I love, and it has been so much fun opening these little packs. Before I open it, I have to tell you a couple of things. First of all, I also used to do the Paper Gang and Pip Sticks. All of my subscriptions start with a P, don't ask me why. I also used to do the Paper Gang and Pip Sticks subscriptions, like unboxings on my channel as well. However, I cancelled both of them. The reason why is because, first of all, Pip Sticks and Paper Gang, they did not get that many views anymore. People were getting kind of sick of them, which I understand because, you know, you can only see so many Paper Gang boxes before you start seeing the same thing over and over again. And I'm also trying to save some money because I want to buy a new tripod so we can finally have like a real overhead view. It's also going to be winter soon, so I'm hoping to, before it's winter, save some money for daylight lamps as well, so I can film it in the nighttime, which would be kind of awesome. So okay, I'm kind of saving money, but I was going to get the Pip Sticks from this month, from August actually. I was going to get the pack from August, however it never arrived, so I messaged Pip Sticks saying, hey, I think my Pip Sticks got lost, and they have sent out a new one today. It's now the 13th of September, so it's going to be super late. But I get that they wanted to wait for a little bit because, you know, it might just take a little bit longer, but it has been over a month and I'm fairly certain it has been lost. So, I just wanted to ask you guys, because I was going to do a Pip Sticks video, it just never arrived. I wanted to ask you guys if you still want to see the Pip Sticks from August, or if you think, hi Vivian, you're way too late, we don't care anymore. Let me know in the comment down below. Film and upload the Pip Sticks video when it finally arrives, or just leave it for now, I guess. Oh yeah, I might start doing Pip Sticks and Paper Gang videos again in the future. I just don't know yet, because what also happens is I receive Pip Sticks and Paper Gang every month, and then I have so many notebooks, so many sticker sheets, I just don't know what to do with them. Trying to buy less things so that I can use what I actually have. However, I'm definitely not going to give up my writing paper subscription, because that's just too much fun. Before I open this pack, I do want to say that this paper, like letter writing paper subscription, was sent to me for free by the lovely ladies of Papierre. I started out as a paying customer, but because it turned out to be a really good opportunity for the both of us, like they were getting a lot of new subscribers from my videos, they decided to start sending me the pack for free, which is super lovely, and I am definitely not complaining. This is a super fun collab. So no, I do not get paid, I do not get sponsored. Every opinion in this video is my own. The only thing is I am not a paying customer anymore, so I do want to let you guys know that. But as always, same as with Pip Sticks, same as with Papierre, I'm going to tell you if I like something or not. That has not been influenced at all. I just thought it would be kind of fun for me to have a little collaboration with these ladies. So when you've signed up to Papierre, it's going to ask you at some point, how did you find out about our subscription? And then you can just write from Vivian's videos or from the Paper Letter blog. That would be kind of great. So that's basically all I want to say. I'm now going to open it. First, let me pick out a tea. Okay, we have, like, I was complaining that my tea basket was getting empty and now it's super full again. But I think I want to try another one from Caitlin, because she sent me a bunch of teas. I have not uploaded that video yet. It's coming soon, it's coming soon. But I think I want to try this one, the green tea honey mint. Let me try that. Oh, I love these little tea bags. English tea shop. Really adorable. So we're going to try another tea today, which is always fun. And I'm going to open this pack. I have not seen any spoilers. The best thing about Papierre being kind of a small business is that I get like relatively no spoilers, not from Papierre itself, not from other people receiving the pack before me, because I know that they sent the pack to me quite early on in the month so that I can get my video out and be one of the first, and that's great because I get no spoilers. But I am kind of hoping that this is going to have some fall themed paper. I don't know if they hinted at that or if that's just a wish of mine, but it's officially fall now here. as well as in Canada, I'm pretty sure. So I'm ready for some fall themed paper. Okay, okay, look at that. Okay, it's actually backwards now, but I'm fairly certain that this is, at least this one is going to be for fall. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so they always include this little note for us, which is absolutely adorable. It's like a little letter they wrote, and they're actually talking about how they adopted a dog, which is absolutely cute. Oh, okay. So they have beagle themed stationery. And excited about autumn. Okay, so I think this will be a combination of dogs and autumn. Not necessarily a dog lover. Like I grew up with dogs, and dogs are fun and all, but I'm a cat lady, as you were well aware. So I might have to give that away, but fall themed is definitely a good thing. Okay, Vivian, not making a whole lot of sense. We're just gonna go with the first paper. This is definitely fall themed. We've got a cute little owl, and then this really faint brownish leaf design on the back and some brown lines. Love that. Really, really love that. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, I get the 24 sheet pack. You always get 6 different designs, and then I get 4 from each design, and they also include the envelope for me now, which is kind of great. So okay, this is the first one. Really, really cool. Quite like that. Definitely keeping that myself. We already saw a sneak peek of the envelope when we opened it. Really cute. Slightly different color brown, but I do not mind. I have to admit, I have had this subscription for I think 4 months now, and I have used around a quarter of my paper. I hoard it. It's too pretty to use. I need to get better at using stuff. I don't think I am the only one. So that's really cute. That's the first design. Second design, this is the beagle one, or maybe there's more. No spoilers, Vivian. We've got a mailman and a beagle one. Like I said, I'm not really a dog lover. The mailman without beagle, kind of cute. This is not really my style. I think you guys know that. That's also okay. The thing that kind of annoys me a little bit is that the beagle and the mailman are a different drawing style. Like this one has black outlines, the dog does not. Just a little thing I noticed, but I'm going to give this. Actually, you know, in every video there's 1 or 2 designs that I say I'm going to give away, and I end up keeping them anyways. So this one, not my favorite, but still very cute. I definitely like the mailman design. And then we have an envelope to go with that. Aww, that's cute. I like that the envelope has lines as well, because when I write an address, I'm all over the place. So that's the second design. And then, oh, that's cute. We've got some orange colors. I have to say, when I started crafting, I did not like orange, but I've started loving orange actually. So this makes me quite happy. Not in real life. I don't want to wear orange clothes or anything. My grandparents, their house used to be orange, like orange curtains, orange lamps. I hated it, but this, when it's in like a fall theme, I quite like that. I know like half of the people watching my videos are annoyed by all of the little random things I say, but I don't care. These are my videos. I'm gonna chat if I want to. So I quite like that. I also like that like the lines, I know this is weird, but I really like that the lines have like a matching brownish orange color as well. It's, for some reason I like that a lot more than just standard black lines. Oh my god, mushrooms! Oh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually like, sometimes I exchange emails with the ladies from Papierre, and we were talking about how well people responded to one video and then people did not really respond to another video. And I think she said that she wasn't sure if I was going to like the designs this month. But wow, I'm actually really, really happy. This is perfect because even though like these two, they are obviously fall themed, but you could also use them in any other season and it wouldn't even be that annoying. So we've got this adorable fox design, which is kind of the same style as the owl. Kind of the same style, so it would also be kind of cute to mix and match these. And then we have a really, I hope you can see that, a really faint like floral leaf design on the back, which is my absolute favorite. Oh, I really like that. I really like that. This month is really good so far. And then again, the kind of orange brownish lines. And what I like actually about all of them is that the lines are like from left to right, because sometimes when you have letter writing paper, it's really cute, but you can only write on like 2/3 of the paper because the lines stop in the middle for some reason, or start in the middle. But with this you can just write long letters, which I love. And also, I've been writing letters on them, even though I try to hoard them all. I have been using them for writing letters. And you can also write on the back, which is kind of good because it saves you weight if you write on the front and the back. And it doesn't bleed through or anything. So that's a pretty big plus. Oh, I forgot to look at the envelope. Oh, that's adorable. The fox is really cute. Actually, I always say, I don't like animal prints, but this is actually really cute. And then the envelope again has that really faint floral design. Love it. And like I said, if I didn't like it, I would tell you as well, but so far I'm actually a big fan. And then we've got a little, like a living room kind of design. This is quite similar to one we've had before. Wait, I will just pick it up. Okay, so I don't know why, but I thought for some reason that these were very similar, but they're not actually that similar. Like they've both got a chair and a table and a blonde. But the theme, I guess, is kind of similar. So it would be kind of fun to mix and match these. I think this one is from the May pack. But okay, it's kind of a more simple design and not too special, but I definitely do like it. My favorite thing about this is like the faint color blocking background. It just makes it a little bit more special than your regular paper. So that's quite nice, not too special, but definitely keeping that myself. And then this is the envelope where you can also see the color blocking a little bit more clearly. Got the little table design and then the chair on the back, which is quite cute, which is adorable. We've got mushrooms. Oh, I already know someone who's going to love this. That's pretty. So beautiful mushroom design. It is perfect for fall. It's perfect for like magical themed mail. I have to say, since I started doing snail mail, I've grown quite fond of mushroom designs. So this is kind of perfect. Yeah, I quite like that. The green little lines. The only thing that is a little bit sad is that there's like what I was talking about with these designs, that you have so much space to write on. With these, you miss out on this whole part because there's like an image instead of lines. So a little bit less space to write, but I guess that's also okay if you're writing like a shorter note, or you can just continue on the back, I guess. So that's quite cute, very different from the other designs, but very pretty. Let me know, which one is your favorite design so far? Is this a pack you would have liked to receive or not? Also very possible, of course. Have you signed up? If yes, how do you like it so far? I'm like immediately thinking, which ones am I going to use for myself? Which ones might I eventually give away as a gift? I'm definitely keeping. Actually, I think I'm keeping 5. But my favorite, I don't actually know which one is my favorite. I think it's either the foxes or the mushrooms. These two are my favorite. Although I'm also quite into the simplistic look of this one. I quite like all of them. I'm definitely going to write some beautiful fall themed mail. I'm quite excited to get into fall themed mail again. I have a box filled with everything orange and everything fall themed, and I'm thinking of getting it out again, although I'm also not really ready to give up on the summer themed items. I think it's time. So let me know in the comment down below your favorite design, how you guys are doing. Are you excited for fall? I have not tried the tea yet. Let me see if it's cooled down enough. That's actually quite nice. It's a little bit sweet, which is good. I'm so all over the place today, but okay. Expect a new La Papierre video every month, and that's it, I guess, for now. I hope you guys will have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.